welcome back to my channel. It is cold today. It has definitely been raining in LA, but I'm still going to be doing my videos even though it's gloomy and I want to lay down. We still gonna get it. Today I have a wig from Ywigs. They sent me this package, so let's see what's inside. And this bag is actually cute because you can use it as a little backpack. In the package there is a stocking cap. I like these. I like when they send me wig caps because I go through them a lot. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually tore or ripped a little bit. It's probably that way because of shipping. Okay, so it's a colored wig. There's nothing else in the box. And yes, it says a 13 by 6 average size lace front wig, 24-inch body wave, free part. So let's take her out the bag. And it's like, it's not a true red, it's an off red, and it has roots, and the roots on here actually looks really nice because I've seen wigs and the roots do not hit the way that they're supposed to. Oh yeah, so this is what she looks like. This is the red that she is. Like I said, it's not a true red. It's like a brick red. It's cute. The roots, like I said, are actually really nice on this unit. Okay, the inside looks like this. It's a 13 by 6. All right, this is the cap. Comes with adjustable bands and an elastic strap, elastic band. It has 3 combs. All right, and this is all the parting that you get into this wig. All right, now this wig is not bleached, as you can see. The knots are not bleached, as you can see, so we are definitely going to go in and do that. Mine is slightly pre-plucked. I might go in and do a little bit more, but after the knots are bleached, it'll probably look better. But yeah, so this is 24 inches. So it smells like hair dye, like it's freshly dyed. Whoever did these roots did a good job. I admit that. Okay, but yeah, so let's bleach some knots. All right, so I got some 40 Val and some quick blue, and you need a bowl. And I have my bleaching bowl, and I'm gonna do 1 scoop. Maybe, yeah, about 1.5 of a scoop to bleach this wig. I have some other things, customer orders that I need to bleach, closures and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit more bleach in here so I could do that as well after I finish recording this. Okay, so I have my bleach mixed up already, and then I have my wig that knots needs to get bleached, so I'm gonna turn it inside out. Since this wig was already probably 613, it's going to turn super fast. And yeah, so you definitely want to watch it. I don't want to get bleach on the areas that does not have any roots on it, because I don't want it to over process. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and put some bleach on it. Okay, so the bleach is on there. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it over here by my little conventional oven so it can warm up real quick. It's not gonna take long whatsoever. And once it's ready, there we go. Once it's ready, I'll go ahead and rinse her off. So I let the bleach process on the wig for about 20 minutes. Yeah, and honestly, I could have left it sit on there a little bit longer. I did use a little bit purple shampoo, but I did notice that this wig was, the color of this wig was running a lot, and I was using cool water. So, yeah, that's what I noticed. As you can see, when I'm squeezing the water out, you can see it's running. So, the wig did end up being a little bit faded, and I ended up going back in after this video and dipping it in some more color later on. But the color was actually okay. It looks like kind of like acid wash, like, you know what I mean when I say acid wash when it comes to like jeans and stuff. Like it's a like two-tone-ish. That's what it looked like, the finished product to me. So I did wash this hair with Suave, and that was and then I deep conditioned with silicone mix. And then I am about to do some baby hairs. I did not pluck this wig whatsoever. I left it how it was and how it came out straight out the box. Now this is a 13x6 wig, but the sides of this wig taper, so you don't get a lot of parting space on this side. If you hear drinking, that's my dog in the back. I'm sorry, I'm in the kitchen. I'm in their domain right now. But so I'm going to take some baby hair out, and then I'm going to just go ahead and cut it with my razors and just lay them down with some mousse. The mousse I like to use is from Cantu, and I like to just lay my baby hairs down, pre-lay them down. You know, I do it this way because I take pictures of my wigs, the ending product, because I like to post them. But you don't necessarily have to do this step. This is easier for me, or for other people, especially if you're not comfortable pulling baby hairs down while they're on your face. So you can actually pre-do them, and then when you put them on, you can see if it's too much or too little. You put some more down, you put some more up. It's just up to you, but you can do either way. This is not a mandatory step. Bleaching it is not a mandatory step, and I do that because it just makes my wigs nicer on me. So after I do the baby hairs, I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm going to spritz the front of the hairline with some of the holding spray. And I'm going to take the rapid strips, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap the hairline down and sit her under the dryer. So at this point, the wig is dry. I did flat iron it, and I'm ready to do an install. So we're going to do a quick install with this wig, something glueless, something easy. I am going to use my Ruby Kisses. I'm in the shade 16, and I'm going to put this all over my cap. You are going to see me use this color multiple times throughout this video because I also use this on my actual lace. And I use that because it's a good color that's close to my natural skin tone, that it'll look the best. You feel me? So right here, I'm just putting the wig on, adjusting it, make sure it's fitting right, it's sitting right, and then I'm gonna go in and I am going to use Boho Liquid Gold to adhere this wig down. So this is Boho Liquid Gold. This is not a glue. This is more like a serum that holds your wigs down. It does not pull your edges out. It's not drying to your edges. It doesn't have alcohol. So I love this type of product. I really want the hair diagram to make a aerosol can, like a hairspray or something, because I really feel like that would complete her collection of glueless items. A hair spray, like she really needs that, either a glueless hairspray or that could function as a hairspray and something that you could adhere your wigs down with it. I really feel like that's a good idea, and I hope she's watching it because sometimes she be tuning in. So hey auntie. So I'm just going to use my fingers, smear it down, lay the lace down, and blow dry it on warm until it completely dries. So now that it's dry, I'm going to take my makeup brush and I'm going to just pat that makeup into the lace. You can use makeup, you can use lace tint, you can use tint mousse, you could use whatever you like. You could dip that in tea, you can use cellophane to tint your lace. It is up to you and your preference. I use makeup because makeup is easy, and I found a good color that works for me and my skin tone, so I like my Ruby Kisses. So at this point, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the excessive lace and lay my baby hair. So, and I like to use spritz to lay my baby hairs down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. The lace kind of tinted when the hair was bleeding, so it kind of got on my knots, and as you can see, my knots is a little red, but that really didn't bother me. I really didn't care. But you definitely want to be careful if you do order this wig and you do go ahead and bleach your knots and then wash it, because you may have bleeding like I did. So after everything is laid, I'm gonna go ahead with my Got To Be Free spray and my elastic band and put that on my hairline so everything can melt down, because like I said, we did a glueless method and I just want everything to be like flattity flat. So this is what my wig is looking like. I have some flyaways. Yes, there's a lot of flyaways, and as you can see, so I'm gonna take my free sprays, because that's a strong hairspray. I'm gonna spray the flyaways, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb, and I'm also going to press it down, and then I'm gonna take some more free spray on my hand, and then I'm gonna rub it on the top of my hair so everything can lay down super flat. And basically that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is this color is cool, you know. I feel like if with a couple of more washes, the color might fade away. So you definitely want to be, you know, careful when it comes to that. But actually, this color is like toned down, and it's a very wearable color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will be back with another video. Bye, best friends, and happy new year.